Lloyds is not a company, it's a market where people join together to insure and reinsure the risk. There are different types of insurance they provide, such as property, energy, motors, marine, etc. The location for the Lloyds Insurance, the headquarters is London, and they are still located in 6 different continents, which is 200 different countries. They made a profit of 9,082 million last year, and their total number of employees was 845,000. They divide their employees into different parts, such as finance, risk management, and etc.
A SWOT analysis involves strengths. First, Lloyds has been ranked the strongest business super bank in the insurance sector. Second, strong capital position reflects the insurance market's strong operating performance over the years. Third, they create innovative solutions for all kinds of risks. Fourth, their prominence with its international recognition over the world. Weaknesses are an ability to respond to changing needs, trends of financial issues, bad bank services, and the highest number of complaints. Opportunities. First, Lloyds is looking outside traditional areas for growth and is making pitches to businesses to contemplate such risks as global warming and earthquakes in Canada. Second, become more competitive with established lowering insurance fares. And third, expansion of Lloyds operations is a great development for the company. Threats are: first, the increasing cost and need for insurance might hit a point where a backlash will occur. Second, government regulation on issues like healthcare can quickly change the direction of insurance. And third, competitors like Aviva, Zurich, Saga, and others.
We have identified 5 of the 6 main pestle factors, the first one being environment. The oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico and the Chilean earthquake, combined with the low investment return, will have a significant impact on the industry. Lloyd's profit could be lost with one more catastrophe. Sociocultural. An increase in the population of ages between 30 and 65 years old and above could have a dramatic impact on savings. This demographic aspect will affect capital formation, tax rates, real wages, and labour supply. Technological. Lloyds Insurance is a global company and depends highly on technology for the cross-continental and internal running of the business.
Legal. In 2009, the Environmental Damage Regulation implemented the European Environmental Liability Directive, which is likely to be incorporated into Scottish, Welsh, and North Irish, and provide an increase in environmental liability for organizations. Economic. The new Conservative Liberal Democratic government presents an emergency budget in 2010 that contains an extra £40 billion on fiscal tightening. This amount will be divided between cap and tax rises, which could reduce UK attractiveness to new insurers and drive out the existing ones.
We have identified 3 of the 5 main water forces, the first one being rivalry amongst existing firms. In 2006, Lloyds outperformed all its major competitors over the period, including Bermuda, which was running at a COR of 89%. On the other hand, Lloyds has been under pressure in recent months as several major insurers, including Hiscox and Amelin, have set up new businesses in Bermuda.
The second is being threat of new entrants. There are barriers to entry for new entrants because of strong brand name dependability. In addition, Lloyds has been in the market for over 300 years, and the good performance in challenging economic conditions, for example, high profits.
And the third one is supplier powers. The Lloyds product differentiations give it advantage. This is because it offers classroom education, access to conference, management, leadership, and framework for career development planning.
According to Lloyds, in the long run, changes that will occur to the climate will affect our way of life. Some possible issues are considered by Lloyds. Higher competition between producers, since natural resources will become even more limited. External weather conditions and an unprepared population. Transport systems and the changes in the way that they will function. Buildings and their structures. Their main aim, assist businesses to estimate the effects on the business, for example costs, prepare for these changes and plan the strategies appropriately. How they will do that, there's 360 degrees risk insight.
The support that Lloyds provides. Firstly, risk analysis on climate change issues. Secondly, inform public policymakers of the climate situation. In addition, it provides support climate awareness among their customers. Furthermore, it brings climate change on the board as a long-term strategy. Lloyds also reduces the footprint year by year, involving all the staff. And finally, it lets the whole society read Lloyds improvement through annual reports.
The open systems model promotes innovation and growth. Using that, Lloyds managers would consider the external environment more than other factors. Through flexible and responsive behavior, Lloyds would remain alert and up to date for changes such as climate. They could then identify the dangers on time. By using its divided workforce, for example, risk management and performance management employees, Lloyds could learn to become more innovative. They could then offer advice directly related to up-to-date information about climate and its risks. Therefore, as credit by Lloyds Insurance, they can turn risk into opportunity.